Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You can find the bulk exterior rearview mirror used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and under the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Open the door. Using a plastic fork, unclip the door trim that hides the rearview mirror retaining screws.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 exterior rearview mirror retaining screws. Then remove the exterior rearview mirror. You will find the bolt parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new exterior rearview mirror. Insert it into its slot. Then roughly screw the 3 retaining screws back on by hand. Finalize the tightening with a ratchet. Clip the door trim back on. On this model, it is possible to change only the plastic shell where necessary by prying with a plastic fork. If so, simply clip the shell back onto the exterior rearview mirror. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.